What's up guys, it's me Geek. If you bought the accessory pack, yes, the accessory pack, then it comes with a screen protector for the REMOVU K1. So now I'm going to apply the screen protector. First, try to clean your screen wisely. Okay, I'm done with it. It look like new. Okay, here we go. And then now, let me take out the screen protector where it is. Okay, here we go. This is the front, this is the back. Okay, back. First I need to peel this one, put here, right? Come on. Come on. I'm just trying to remove the bubble. Yeah, I'm just trying to remove the bubble. Can I find something to remove it or not? Maybe some kind of, yeah, this card. Okay. Okay. Just one left. We take out this one. So yeah, here we go with the screen protector. Okay, supply good enough, not great but good enough. I'm happy with it literally. Let me turn it on. So yeah, it's good now. It's what me Geek. Subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي